How to remove EvilQuest from macOS. Here is a script file that you can use to remove EvilQuest from macOS. #bin/bash hashtag the script removes EvilQuest from macOS. Get the list of all files and directories associated with EvilQuest. Files equals $find/library name EvilQuest type dprint, directories equals $find/library name EvilQuest type fprint, #remove all files and directories associated with EvilQuest. For file in $files, do $file done. For directory in $directories, do rmdir $directory done. #remove the EvilQuest configuration file. rm/library/application/support/EvilQuest/config.json. #remove the EvilQuest preferences file. rm/user/your_username/library/preferences/EvilQuest. Check if EvilQuest is still installed. If f/library/application/support/EvilQuest, then echo EvilQuest is still installed. Exit 1fi #EvilQuest is no longer installed. Echo EvilQuest has been successfully removed. To use this script, simply copy and paste it into a text file, save it as remove_EvilQuest.sh, and then run it from a terminal window. The script will remove all files and directories associated with EvilQuest, and then check if EvilQuest is still installed. If EvilQuest is still installed, the script will display an error message. If EvilQuest is no longer installed, the script will display a success message. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide. 2. EvilQuest is a malicious adware program that can cause a variety of issues, including displaying unwanted ads. EvilQuest can inject ads into websites, even if you are not actively browsing them. These ads can be annoying and can also redirect you to malicious websites. Tracking your browsing habits. EvilQuest can track your browsing habits and collect data about the websites you visit. This data can be used to target you with personalized ads or to sell to third-party companies. Stealing personal information. EvilQuest can steal personal information, such as your passwords, credit card numbers, and email addresses. This information can be used to commit fraud or to sell to third-party companies. Damaging your computer. EvilQuest can damage your computer by installing malicious software or by causing system crashes. Spying on you. EvilQuest can spy on you by logging your keystrokes and by taking screenshots of your screen. This information can be used to track your activities or to steal your personal information. If you think EvilQuest, you should scan your computer with a reputable antivirus program and remove the infection. You should also change your passwords and contact your bank or credit card company if you think your personal information has been stolen.